Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to cover the topic, what do supply and demand tell us about today's housing market? Okay, I'm going to cover it in this video today. Stay tuned. Coming up now. So I had a recent call from one of my friends and he was asking, Daria, what is the market doing? Are there coming more properties? I'm ready to go. I want to go look at some homes. So he wanted to know what is happening in terms of supply and demand. Are the prices going up? Are the prices going down? So watch this video to know to get all the answers. Stay tuned. So there is a well-known economic theory, the law of supply and demand, that explains what's happening with prices in the current real estate market. Put simply, when the demand of an item is high, prices rise. When the supply of an item increases, prices fall. Of course, when the demand is very high and supply is very low, prices can increase significantly. Understanding the impact that both supply and demand have can provide the answers to the few popular questions about today's housing market. Question number one, why are prices rising? Why are they rising? Question number two, where are prices headed? Where is it going? Are they rising? Are they going down? Is it going to be steady? What does it mean for home buyers? What do we have to do? Where is it going? What do we have to prepare for? To answer your questions, why are prices rising? According to the latest Home Price Insights report, home prices have risen 18.1%. Recent buyer and sellers activity data from the National Association of Realtors helps answer that question. When we take the National Association of Realtors buyers activity data and compare to the sellers traffic during the same time frame, we can see buyers demand continues to outpace sellers activity by a wide margin. In other words, the demand for homes is significantly greater than the current supply that's available to buy. As you see in the map, this combination of low supply and high demand is what's driving home prices up. You see how many buyers are actually looking in those different states and how many sellers are actively selling. So this is what's making the prices go up. To talk about question number two is, where are prices headed? I covered it in my previous video if you want. I'm going to put the link in the description below, but my last video was about the forecast and what's happening in the next 5 years with the housing market and prices. So make sure to check that out. But to answer the question, the supply of homes for sale will greatly affect where prices head over the coming months. Many experts forecast prices will continue to increase, but they'll likely appreciate at a slower rate. Watch my last video, so we're going to talk about a deceleration. Listen carefully. In this case, perspective is important. A slight moderation of home prices does not mean prices will depreciate or fall. It doesn't. Price increases may occur at a slower pace, but experts still expect them to rise. It's still going to go up, but just at a really slower pace. Not how it's been the last year, which was crazy. Okay, check out this graph, guys. 5 major entities that closely follow the real estate market forecast home prices will continue appreciating through 2022. Okay? MBA, Freddie Mac, HPAEC, Freddie Mae, and the NAR expecting home prices to rise at a slower pace. So, okay, take note of that. let's get to the important question. What does this mean for the home buyers? If you're waiting to enter the market because you're expecting prices to drop, or you may end up paying more in the long run. So even if prices increases occur at a slower rate next year, prices are still projecting to rise. That means the home of your the home of your dreams will likely cost you even more in 2022. Okay, the truth is, guys, high demand and low supply are what's driving up home prices in today's housing market. And while prices may increase at a slower pace in the coming months, experts will still expect them to rise. If you're a potential home buyer, connect with a trusted real estate advisor or real estate agent, whatever you want to call them, to discuss what that could mean for you if you wait even longer to buy, okay? So just call whatever person you're close to, a real estate agent, real estate consultant, and see what's going on, see what your next move is. I'm going to put my information in the description below. Give me a call, text me, email me, comment, whatever you want to discuss the housing market and what you should do for next year, okay? So that was it, guys. This was the video of today, what supply and demand means in the housing market today. If you have any more questions, feel free to email me, text me. Yeah, if you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe. Hit the like button, hit the notification button so you know more videos are coming. I'll be posting more videos, making more videos to educate you, to inform you what's going on in South Florida in the market. Yeah, thank you for watching and help me support me and see you next week. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.